Okay, hap for hap around the house. We have a pretty terribly made tub and surround that I'm going to be doing a repair on. You can see that there's a void underneath the finish there. There's another little one right there. And I think there's a little divot right there. And we'll be filling in with some 2-part epoxy. I believe it's Loctite, marine. But let's go show you the tools we need and how we're going to mix it up, and then we'll apply it. All right, I'm going to cut little pieces. I think it's a cat litter jug. I'm going to cut very carefully so I don't lay my hand wide open. Cut out something to stir the epoxy with. Okay, and the tools you're going to need, I'm going to use a couple of razor blades for shaping. Right there, I've got a couple razor blades. And this will apply it, because it's not very big. The little holes in the finish are not very big, so I think I'll use a toothpick. This, of course, we made for stirring. The Loctite epoxy, marine, white. It works really good. And of course, this is the epoxy. I already took it out. It's open. So I think the next step is we'll mix it up, and then we're going to leave it sit for a few minutes to firm up so it just doesn't roll down the side of our surround, because it's going to be very, very liquid. And if you let it set up a little bit, it become more paste-like. We'll top off, squirt a little bit. It's not very big. We're not going to need very much, so push it out. Ooh, this stuff does not come out very easy. That will be more than enough right there. Now with our custom mixer, mix it up, and then we're going to let it sit for 5-10 minutes. We'll be checking it periodically to make sure it's more putty-like. That's mixed up nice. I'll let it sit there for 5 or 10 minutes, and I'll come back and check it. And then we will fill it. Let me show you the consistency that I was looking for. It's just like that. See how it still kind of falls a little bit, but it's more of a pasty. A little bit less than toothpaste. So we're going to grab our toothpick, and we're going to get a gob of it on there. Then we're going to work it into this defect. Just like that, nice and easy. Like that. And a little bit more. Okay, we're going to leave that alone, and we'll shape it with our razor blade. That's what we're looking at. It's very small, so we're just going to do a little drip, just like that. Leave that alone. Right here. See it? We're just going to work it a little bit. There it goes. Okay, that's all sealed up. That's it. So now we're going to give her a few minutes to firm up, because you can see that this right here is running a little bit. So we're going to let it firm up a little bit, and then we're going to push it back in. This will be fine right here. And that'll be fine. Nobody in their right mind will ever, right down here, nobody in their right mind will ever see that. Okay, time to get that epoxy off there. So what we're gonna do, so we're gonna take our razor blade, just a regular razor blade, very carefully, gently pull the epoxy over that profile. That is not gonna look bad. I am not gonna monkey with that. And we are going to do the same exact thing. Very carefully put the razor blade. I wiped the excess off the razor blade off camera. And then we're just going to go right over that profile. And that is going to look fabulous as well. And I've got this little one that I showed you earlier. I don't really think that there's much to grab on that one. No, there's really not much. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm not going to mess anymore with it. That looks good. The only thing I'm going to do is above, I'm going to scrape the excess from my sweep on this side. Get that. See that? There's a little bit of excess. And I'm going to leave it alone until it's totally dry, totally done. And let's take a look at it for realsies. Yeah, that does not look bad. You're standing here to take a shower, you're never going to notice that. You cannot see the defect. This is 2 feet away. Of course, most people aren't going to get this close to my tub. So yeah, for $10, you can pick up the epoxy, under $10. A couple razor blades. You have to make a little stir thing, and you got your little applicator, better known as a toothpick. This is an easy job. You can do this. This is Hap for Hap around the house. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.